Hello, I'm Scott Richards, an inventor and the founder of Cloud Safety Systems. We're bringing a line of safety devices to the market that use the speed of airbag inflation to protect people in a wide variety of circumstances, in industry and in medical rehabilitation, and to extend the independent lifestyle of our aging seniors. The genesis of these devices was an airbag inner tube. That airbag inner tube required some sort of a detection system to detect when the fall had begun, and airbag inflation speed, which would allow them to be protected before the fall had completed and before they could be injured. During the course of that research, I was working with the University of Texas at Arlington. And when we did this, I had come across materials that would also accommodate another invention of mine, which was what I called our senior protection belt. And that was quite different in configuration. Rather than blowing up like an inner tube, this blew up like a pool float. That was my light bulb moment when I recognized that a pool float or pool toys or a raft can take on a particular shape or configuration based on the configuration of the air chambers and how you wind up designing those. As a result, I said, I can design inflatable bladders with chambers that cause that bladder to take on any shape, size, and position that I need. And I knew just the shape, size, and position that I did need. I needed something that would go from the waist up to protect the head and down to the knees to protect 360 degrees around the person, to protect our seniors in the event that they fell from head injuries, broken wrists, broken hips, fractures of various sorts, contusions, all of the dreaded results of a fall for one of our seniors. You may ask, why do we need such devices to protect people? Over 7 million people a year are injured, and over 60,000 people a year die as a result of falls in the United States. 1 in 3 of our seniors above the age of 65 will fall every year. And after they've fallen once, the probability of them falling again increases. The Bureau of Labor Statistics indicates that approximately 700 people a year are killed in workplace accidents. Industrial falls account for approximately 700 fatalities a year. The cost of lost time accidents and injuries as a result of falls exceeds $13.3 billion a year, according to the National Safety Council. These are significant expenses, and they're mostly borne by Medicare, Medicaid, and industry through lost time accidents and compensation. If we can reduce these costs, there will be significant savings in direct medical costs for Medicare, Medicaid, lost time accidents for industry, and workmen's compensation claims for injuries associated with the workplace. The protection cloud, in the form of a belt that contains folded bladders and technology that will detect when a fall has begun and inflate bladders to protect you before you hit the ground using airbag technology. The protection cloud, because the world's a better place with you in it.